Today is Sunday, September 15, 2019 Singapore. This is around 11 a.m. I'm surprised to see this beautiful Oriental Garden Lizard in the two colors, and I'm about 20 feet away. Now it's hard to focus, but we can still see it here. Now he does not run away from me or dash up a tree unlike the other one, but you can see he's moving up to higher ground. Knowing that I'm videoing him, but I don't get too close, so he's not too worried, but still he's careful. The beautiful matured Oriental Garden Lizard or changeling, and it's rare to get such a video of him. It depends on the time, and now it's 11 a.m. and he's still there. I shall stop now as the focusing is not so good, but I think you can see him. Today is Sunday, Singapore, Oriental Garden Lizard.